Nduso pok mar omenda mane ochan dhi negi oinyo chenro mayande giseketo mag dongruok kod chopo kare singo mag migepe mag counties. Jakom riwruog Gavanas ma en gavana ma Wajir Ahmed Abdullahi wacho ni kata winjruok mayande giketo gi jotich kaka lakteche kod mamoko sani dhi gore e Luanda ni mar omenda mayande gigeno yudo mar loyo dwaro gi ong'ado oko. Oloso bang' nyo winjruok obedo mondo chwal ne counties bilion 387 kowuok e shillings bilion 400 mayande winjore megi.
We know how we got here, which is the issue of the finance bill that didn't go through. But it had never occurred before since the promulgation of this new constitutional dispensation and since the counties were established in 2013. We have never really had to go back on DORA. We want to register our disappointment. We would have gotten an increase of 13.5 from last year. We would have been neutral with respect to payroll costs. But now, we're actually taking a hit of 11.5 billion as a result of an increase in payroll costs, which increase in payroll costs has not been offset by the increase in equitable share.